Hola Amigos, bienvenido to High Vibes Travel. Another day here in Lima, but we got breaking news here live at the end of September. We got some sun. Yes, we got some sol.
Manifested some sun yesterday.
Look at this. Look, I think the whole video is just going to be directed at the sun. So I'm going to walk like this the whole video. So we're happy it's slightly warmer because of El Sol. But today we're going to these pyramids, these popular pyramids. I can't pronounce the name, but I'll write it down here in the bottom. And we're going to go explore this place, and hopefully there's some, wow, what do you call those, alpacas?
Yes.
You saw that in other videos. So let's see how this video goes. And welcome to a beautiful day here in Lima, Peru. Vámonos. Big Indian market, not Indian like India, but native Indians. Maybe we'll go later, we'll see. Ooh, nice and warm. Our lunch for today, buying at the supermarket.
So we have arrived to this archaeological site, and well, it's not what we expected. Wasn't sure what to expect. The tour guide said it starts in 30 minutes. We can't get in without a tour guide because it's a heritage site, she said. So we read about it. I went online and I read about it, and can't say it's really impressive. It was used as a garbage dump, also motocross, and then 1981 they decided that, oh, maybe it's important, so we'll try to preserve it. So basically we're here, but I wasn't enticed to go in. I like to do things differently and not follow the crowd. My bad, I should have looked it up before we came here, but for us it was a no-go. We don't like doing what other people like doing, so we whatever we're inspired to do, that's what we do. Like we said earlier, the sun was out, a nice day to walk, so all good.
So you heard the comments from my better half, and we're off to our next adventure. We're going to the Pacific Ocean. I got my surfboard ready. Nice. So there's the whatever you want to call these things.
Pucllana, I think. Part is that I wanted to mention that we were going to go in to see the alpacas, but the tour guide said we can only be with them for 3 minutes.
3 minutes is way not enough for me. I want to hang out with them all day.
Yeah.
So
Cute little faces, but we weren't allowed.
3 minutes is way not enough.
It's getting cold now.
Yeah, it's freezing.
The sun's
coming.
Winter's coming. I'm showing the Americans what sidewalks of Peru look like.
I want to know how long it takes to dry those clothes. That's a big in the summer. What's on top? Surfing.
There you go. You just said.
Come.
There you go. Surf's up. We're gonna catch some surfers today.
So we found the route to go to the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, this is what the Incas used back in the day.
A lot of steps. The Inca used this back in the day, as my better half would say. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good exercise. Cobblestone streets too.
Yep, that's what the horses are.
It's a very walkable city. We'll give them that much. Very walkable city. And there's sidewalks and clean.
I finally made it to the beach. That's it.
And here we are, the Pacific Ocean. It's chilly, but hey, who's complaining when these people are literally surfing in this cold? Yeah, I know they have a wetsuit, but regardless, it's chilly. Very important to ground, even in this chilly weather. And off she goes. Wow, massive waves. Beautiful though. I don't think it's swimable. Oh. There you go. There you go. Not cold, eh? She's just shivering. She's just shivering, but not cold. Shoot it. No. He's not going all the way there. Are you taping this?
Yeah. And a big wave is coming too. No, get the ball.
This dog is a champion. Wow. Again, he's shooting it. Unbelievable. Should we come back? Or he's freaking out too.
Okay, come back.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Yes, we didn't go to those pyramid thingies, but this was much better. And it's always good to go to Mother Nature. And we'll see if there'll be another Lima video. We're not sure, but hope you enjoyed the few videos we did. Adios.